slide here, this is an overview of the theory of change for Going Beyond. So theory of change is basically the way that we understand how the activities which are designed for the project, how those activities are going to go on to impact the program participants. And so the activities are designed based on some problem, and they're designed in a way that will provide solutions to the problems. So the idea is that for Going Beyond, there's 3 different types of participants. So we have partners, youth-led and youth-serving organizations. We have youth leaders who are unemployed or underemployed university graduates, and then we have youth peers. So disadvantaged youth with micro businesses mostly. So the first pillar, our partners, youth-led, youth-serving organizations, yourselves. We have 40 partners overall for Going Beyond. Youth leaders, the program target is 4,000 youth leaders. And for youth peers, the program target is 300,000. So the theory of change in a nutshell is that DOT partners with youth-led and youth-serving organizations through the Organizational Development Program, the ODP. Partners learn about how to increase their capacity to implement their own programming through skills development and through participating in a community of other youth-led organizations. And you increase your capacity through the ODP, as well as through your position in a network of like-minded peer organizations. So that's the first pillar of Going Beyond. So partners work on capacity organized around a greater capacity to implement programming. Partners you also implement Going Beyond. So part of your role as an implementing partner is to empower youth leaders through the youth leadership program. So youth leaders, the second pillar for Going Beyond, they go through the youth leadership program. They themselves develop leadership capacities, skills capacities, etc. And they increase their capacity to become social impact leaders in their communities. And then the third pillar, youth peers. The youth peers go through the digital business program, which increases their abilities to do their businesses digitally. So they integrate digital components to business around, it could be engaging with suppliers through monitoring their inventory digitally, tracking, their access to goods, etc. So the digital business program integrates digital ways of doing business. And the digital business program is implemented by the youth leaders. So the youth leaders lead the digital business program, and youth peers go through the digital business program and learn how to become more digital in their day-to-day business operations. So ultimately, the problem that Going Beyond is trying to provide solutions for is youth unemployment, the exclusion of youth from development, gender inequality, and the digital divide. So there's a skills mismatch between the skills that youth possess and the jobs that are available. They're also in themselves are limited jobs, and so that's part of what the capacity development for organizations is targeting organizations' ability to hire more youth. And there's limited access to relevant digital skills and devices, and there's negative perceptions of youth and women, so social norms. So we'll see ahead in the next few slides that the types of changes that Going Beyond program participants are going to experience, we can measure those types of changes at different times in the program.